Want to save hours of time with automation without coding? I'll show you a simple, no-code automation anyone can set up in 5 minutes. And it's totally free. Here's what you'll need: a free account on Make.com, Google Tasks, or Microsoft To Do. Both are free, and just 5 minutes of your time. Let's automate your task list. Here's how. First, sign up for a free account on Make.com. Then, once you're in your account, create a new scenario by clicking plus and select Gmail as your first app. Now it's time to set up your Gmail to watch for new emails from yourself with the subject To Do. Next, set up Google Tasks and select Create a Task as the action. Configure it so that every time you send yourself an email with To Do in the subject, it automatically adds to your task list. Boom! Just like that, your to-do list updates itself without lifting a finger. Easy, right? Less than 5 minutes to automate your to-dos. Subscribe for more simple automations.